Hello, and this is Brian from Yoga Hub, and here's a little tip for aligning your shoulders in poses like tabletop, but this can also apply to things like plank and downward dog. Oftentimes in yoga, we hear the cue, hands underneath shoulders. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, it's not set in stone. It is also very possible to take your hands wider than your shoulders. And a lot of people actually find this quite beneficial because a lot of us underestimate how broad our shoulders actually are. And in these poses like tabletop, plank, downward dog, we want to be able to find a push to help us create some stability in these poses. And I would imagine for most people, if I asked you to go up and push a wall, very few people would push like this. You would probably push like this. So I think it's good to work with that natural intelligence that we have in our body. So in something like tabletop, rather than narrowing your shoulders by taking your hands directly underneath them, it can be useful to more so think of your thumbs being in line with your outer shoulders. So just give yourself that little bit of extra space. Some of you might even like to have your hands a little forwards, which can reduce the pressure on the wrists a little bit. So again, if hands under shoulders is what you like, happy days, but don't feel like they have to be there. A little bit wider, even a little bit forward sometimes, is a nice place for them to be as well.